Ben with the Off-Road Podcast here, and I'm here with our good friend Andy. Andy, you've got some new stuff, man. What's Warren got for us?
Yeah, I got some new stuff. So we'll start off with our newly released Epic Trail Gear. So Epic Trail Gear is a full line of bags. We offer, this is our duffel. We offer a tool roll organizer. We offer a couple of roll bar bags and a roll top backpack as well. All of it's going to be made out of 600D Cordura nylon. It's all going to come with YKK weather resistant zippers. It's all nice and heavy duty, premium. Yeah, like this all comes with a MOLLE style system on the side.
That's a MOLLE, I like that.
Yeah, so you'll be able to gang things together. It's expandable, it's modular. So we're real excited about that. It's got Velcro here so you can label what you want. You can put patches on it. You can do whatever kind you want. So this is great because it's got D-rings on each corner. So you can strap it down to a
tie
belt.
it down,
exactly.
Add to it, keep all your crap together.
You bet.
And if you're like me, always expanding, you need more space.
That's true. Agreed. So that's new. Also brand new, it's actually coming out here in a couple of days, is our new Spydura Nightline. And so what this is winch rope extensions, and soft shackles. And yeah, so not only is this just highly visible because it's gray, black, and red, obviously very bright, but the gray bits here in the rope are actually a 3M material that's reflective.
Ooh, that is really reflective. I like that.
Yeah.
That'll drop your shackle, you know where it is, your line at night, someone's driving along across the road. Not only will they hopefully see the red, they'll see that reflective, and hopefully they're smart enough to stop then.
Yeah. So it's great for low visibility. If you got your headlights on, you'll get that reflection at night.
Especially LED.
Yeah. So we offer that in a 1/2 inch. And then we also offer our standard Spydura soft shackle. This is going to be a 3/8 inch. All are covered in a urethane heat protected coating. The winch rope is going to have a sleeve on the end here to protect against heat, and then also kind of show where the end of the line is. So that's all new. Then we got a bunch of new rigging that recently came out. So this is called Sidewinder. Sidewinder is a hook replacement made out of 6061 T6 forged aluminum. This has an 18,000 pound working load limit, 72,000 pound minimum braking strength. So basically you would take your hook off, you would put the eyelet for the rope around this part here, and this then has a shackle built on automatically, so you don't have to carry a second shackle. It's a different way to rig up. It's part of our direct connect secure rigging system. So then it's also available in not only the black, but in a polished version and in a gunmetal version.
Ooh, I like that polished. It's shiny.
Shiny. And then it comes with an optional polyurethane isolator that's going to help protect that forged steel pin from debris or anything like that. So that's new.
I gotta keep your gear clean.
Gotta keep it clean. And one other thing is we have our Hyperlink. Hyperlink is a dual pin shackle. So this is available in black, gunmetal, or the polished, and also has an isolator here so it doesn't smack against your bumper. But the idea behind this is just a different way to do a shackle. So you've got the top pin and the bottom pin. The top pin would mount to the front of the bumper, and then the bottom pin, you would take your hook or your thimble and go directly to it. So you just pull one pin, no having to pull the entire thing off the bumper. It's just a quicker, different way to hook up.
Yeah, you feel the strength and its solidness. It's nice. I like this.
Yeah, they're extremely durable. Again, this is going to have a 36,000 pound working load limit, 72,000 pound minimum braking strength.
It's going to take a little bit to break, huh?
It's going to take a lot bit to break. Yeah, they're very, very durable. And again, it's a new, different way to do things.
Yeah, always got to innovate and improve and change.
You bet.
I like it, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.